Okay, lesson 2.1.5 is wiring a plug, which you'll need a plug, a screwdriver, some wire strippers and some cable here. Make sure that your plug has all three pins, the correct number of screws, and a cable grip at the bottom, and a fuse for your live wire. The cable should be exposed maybe 3 or 4 centimeters at the end. Your earth wire is going to be the longest cable, so use that to judge how long it should be. Start by stripping just a small amount from the edge of the earth wire using the cable strippers, and twist it around so that none of the copper wire gets frayed. Remove the cable grip by taking out 2 screws at the bottom of the plug. And place the earth wire in to gauge the length. Now it should be long enough that the cable grip holds the dark piece of the insulation at the bottom. Once you're happy with the length of the earth wire, use the cable strippers to the correct length of the live and neutral wires. Once your wires are all stripped to the correct length, put them in the pins and secure them by tightening the screw. Make sure that none of the copper wire is exposed beyond the pin. Okay, like there. Once you're happy with that and the wires are all in the channels, so none of it's going over the raised plastic. Okay, so it should look like that. There's no copper wire exposed there. Then you're going to place your cable grip over the bottom part there and tighten the screws through the other side. That should mean if you pull the cable that it won't pull it if it comes out of the plug. And then finally, screw the cover in place. And there you go.